Alright, YouTube, this is what it looked like in the morning now when I get up to go set up the events. It is October 24th. Today is Prep Fest, and I get a lot of questions on how cold it is out here. We are in the New England area, so this is what the van says right now. 47 degrees outside. We will be using Prep first time at one of the events that I'm throwing, so you guys stay tuned for that. Let's see how it goes. Still early. It's about 6:40. It's a little bit earlier than that. I set my time fast to be early. But I'm on my way there, set up the track, and then I'll get back to you guys and show y'all what's going on. All right, stay tuned, guys. Y'all ready? Yeah. Watch your lights. Definitely gotta turn that sucker down.
Win to win, right?
Watch your lights. Y'all know Famous J out here. My man cooking them tires with aluminum foil. Early morning, just got the track set up. Well, it's been set up. I'm just walking around. Got Josh over here.
The headache to keep.
So we got Kev out here. Kev got a bunch of stuff out here for sale, y'all. Bunch of stuff. We got motors and all kinds. Max Air battery. All kind of shit. Look at this. Damn. Brand new. Well, you got the brick there. Somebody gonna get that. That low-C roller too?
Yep.
Gee, you got everything.
Hell of a deal on that.
With that body.
With that body. How much? How much?
$275.
What?
You come today.
Wow, everybody's gonna be. Can you get it for me? Can you get it for me?
Or you shut that camera.
Got the brothers down here, you know, they down here working. As usual, what's going on, fellas? How y'all doing? All right, everything good? How y'all doing over here? Everything good? All right. Oh, what did you break? Whose truck is this, Ron? No. Oh, all right. That's the brother over there's truck. I didn't get his name. It's the first time. Well, Adam. That's all right. Adams. This is Adams' spot right here. Today is prep day, fellas. So if you see prep on the table, it's okay. It's okay. It's allowed today. It's allowed. Got my man down here. Yeah. Shout out to him. He brought coffee for all the drivers this morning. Shout out to my man Matt for that. Hey, how's it going, man? Thanks for coming back out today.
Sure. Definitely.
Yeah.
How's it going?
It's fun. Fun. Go check everybody over here. We got the cops spectating. Gotta check my man Junior. Junior, you know Junior. He always come through. So shout out to June. Shout out to 108. Yes, June. How you doing this morning, June?
How you, buddy?
I'm all right.
Good?
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you for having me.
No, you know, anytime. Anytime. Thanks for coming. You drink coffee?
I don't.
Okay. Me either. So they had bought some for the drivers. So I just telling everybody. All right. All right, we got some. We got Carlos over here. Got Alex over there. Little man. Well, y'all know who this is. Huh? Yeah, that's Brian. We got Brian out here. I got you right now, Brian. Watch your lights. Drivers ready? Watch your lights. It's Willie and then the big end. Yeah. Drivers ready? Oh, it wasn't ready. Back up a little bit. Yep, yeah, good. Watch your lights. That was it right there. Oh man.
Now you now you see what I'm saying to me.
I'm like, 140, that's the
We got High Reverend Kevin in the building.
Hi, Reverend Kevin. We're here for RPMs, baby. That's what we're all about.
You hear, Ron?
That's it. That's it.
Yep.
The first time when we got here.
Put some yellow tape on his back. No,
Driver's ready?
Gotta go on his heel.
Watch the light.
And your first win.
Hit that back.
Watch the light.
No, I should have steered it.
Driver's ready? Watch the light.
You gonna do it? You put too much in it.
I know.
It's my bad.
It leaked out already.
Driver's ready? Yep. Watch the light. Watch the light.
Nice.
Woo, them things, you got them things over there smoking.
I like this to go with that wing.
Yeah, right? You can just pick it up right there.
Driver's ready? Watch your light.
That was some drive.
Driver's ready?
Yep. Whew.
Launching too hard. I'm way down from where I was last time.
Who are you telling? I had to feather it just now out the hole.
Because you're in the nice hot sun.
And I still spun with tire warmers on and everything. Think I'm gonna just go down with a dead battery next time.
I know, that's what I'm thinking too. I'm like not even charged.
I'm just gonna go down there again, just like that.
Driver's ready? Watch the light. There you go.
Damn, you had
That
it
car
too.
got-
18-degree difference, 3 lanes. Driver's ready?
Yep.
Watch the light.
Buying back in? We got one person bought back in. Okay. Gotcha. I'm gonna write him. Name? Jeff.
Driver's ready?
Gotcha.
Watch the light.
No problem. Josh wasn't letting off that thing.
Go, Speedy.
Benji, he has that shit turned up. Make sure you.
Driver's ready? I got $5 for I'm playing.
Watch the light.
Driver's ready?
Yeah.
Watch the light.
Ooh! That was a run. Nah. That was a smooth run in both lanes, both lanes.
You're gonna try to prep it.